Struggling to decide on your next debit card? Wondering if a regional bank can compete with the big names? Well, today we're diving into the Poppy Bank debit card. Poppy Bank might not be a national behemoth, but they've been making waves, and their debit card is a key part of their offering. We're going to break down its features, fees, and overall value so you can decide if it belongs in your wallet. So, let's start with the basics. What's good about it? One major convenience is access to the MoneyPass ATM network. This is a huge benefit because it gives you access to thousands of fee-free ATMs nationwide. This means you're not limited to just Poppy Bank branches when you need cash, making it great for traveling or everyday use. Plus, Poppy Bank itself generally doesn't charge you for non-bank ATM withdrawals or inquiries, which is a nice safety net if you ever go out of network, although the other bank might still charge a fee. Now, on the security front, the Poppy Bank debit card includes the industry-standard EMV smart chip technology, giving you that extra layer of security against fraud when making in-person purchases. You also get 24/7 card member service, which is reassuring if you have an issue or if your card is ever lost or stolen. But, as with any financial product, you need to look at the fine print. The debit card is tied to your checking account, and that's where some fees can pop up. For instance, most of their personal checking accounts have a monthly service charge, though these can often be waived if you meet certain minimum balance or activity requirements. Always check the specific account type you're opening. Also, be aware of certain transaction fees that might apply depending on your account. While ATM access is good, there can be fees for things like overdrafts or rush orders for a replacement card. It's important to review their schedule of fees and charges for the most up-to-date and specific details. In summary, the Poppy Bank debit card is a solid option, especially if you value wide, fee-free ATM access through the MoneyPass network and the security of a community bank that's often highly rated for financial stability. It's simple, secure, and gets the job done. Just make sure you understand the linked checking account's fee structure to avoid any surprises. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.